Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Patil, lecturer in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. In this video, we are going to see about 5th chapter, Basics of Hacking. The learning outcomes of this chapter are ethical hacking, understanding the need to hack your own system, obeying the ethical hacking principles, the ethical hacking process, cracking the hacker mindset. What is hacking? Hacking is identifying weakness in computer system or a network to exploit its weaknesses to gain access. Example of hacking: computers have become mandatory to run a successful businesses. It is not enough to have a isolated computer system. They need to be networked to facilitate communication with external businesses. Using a password cracking algorithm to gain access to a system, this exposes them to the outside world. And hacking. Hacking means using computers to commit fraudulent acts such as fraud, privacy invasion, stealing corporate or personal data, etc. Cybercrimes cost many organizations millions of dollars every year. Businesses need to protect themselves against such as attacks. Ethical hacking is identifying weakness in computer system or computer network and coming up with countermeasures that protect the weaknesses. Ethical hacking is a branch of information security or information assurance which tests an organization's information system against a variety of attacks. Ethical hackers are also sometimes known as white hats. Many people are confused when the term ethical and hacking are used together. Usually, the term hacker has a negative connotation due to media reports using incorrect terminology. Ethical hackers must abide by the following rules: get written permission from the owner of the computer system and or computer network before hacking, protect the privacy of the organization being hacked, transparently report all the identified weaknesses in the computer system to the organization, inform hardware and software vendors of the identified weaknesses. Definition of ethical hacking refers to the act of locating weaknesses and vulnerabilities of a computer and information systems by duplicating the intent and action of malicious hackers, known as penetration testing, intrusion testing, or red teaming. An ethical hacker is a security professional who applies their hacking skills for defensive purposes on behalf of the owners of information system. By conducting penetration tests, an ethical hacker looks to answer the following four basic questions. What information or location or a system can an attacker gain access? What can attacker see on the target? What can an attacker do with available information? Does anyone at the target system notice the attempts? An ethical hacker operates with the knowledge and permission of the organization for which they are trying to defend. In some cases, the organization will neglect to inform their information security team of the activities that will be carried out by an ethical hacker in an attempt to test the effectiveness of the information security team. This is referred to as the double blind environment. In order to operate effectively and legally, an ethical hacker must be informed of the assets that should be protected, potential threats, potential threats, sources, and the extent to which the organization will support an ethical hacker's efforts. Definition of hacker. A hacker is a person who finds and exploits a weakness in computer system and or network to gain access. Hackers are usually skilled computer programmers with knowledge of computer security. An ethical hacker, also known as white hat hacker or simply a white hat, is a security professional who applies their hacking skills for defensive purpose on behalf of the owner's information system. Nowadays, certified ethical hackers are among the most sought after information security employees in large organizations such as Wipro, Infosys, IBM, Airtel, and Reliance, among others. What is a malicious user? Malicious user or internal attackers try to compromise computers and sensitive information from the inside as authorized and trusted users. Malicious users go for systems they believe they can compromise for fraudulent gain or revenge. Malicious attackers are generally known as both hackers and malicious users. Malicious users means a rough employee, contractor, intern, or other user who abuses his or her trusted privileges. It is a common term in security circle. Users search through critical database system to collect sensitive information, email confidential client information to the competition or elsewhere to the cloud, or delete sensitive files from servers that they probably do not have access. There is also occasionally ignorant insider whose intent is not malicious but who still causes security problems by moving, deleting, or corrupting sensitive information. Even an innocent fat finger on the keyboard can have terrible consequences in the business world. Malicious users are often the worst enemies of the IT and information security professionals because they know exactly where to go to get the goods and don't need to be computer savvy to compromise sensitive information. These users have the access they need and the management trusted them, often without questions. In short, they take the undue advantage of the trust of the management. Here is the classification of hackers according to their intent. The first symbol is showing white hat. Ethical hacker, white hat, a hacker who gains access to system with a view to fix the identified weaknesses. They may also perform penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. Cracker, black hat, a, a hacker who gains unauthorized access to computer system for personal gain. The intent is usually to steal corporate data, violate privacy rights, transfer funds from bank accounts, etc. Grey hat, a hacker who is in between ethical and black hat hackers. He or she breaks into computer systems without authority with a view of identify weaknesses and reveal them to the system owner. Script kiddie, a non-skilled person who gain access to computer system using already made tools. Hacktivist, a hacker who use hacking to send social, religious and political etc. Messages. This is usually done by hijacking websites and reviewing the message on the hijacked website. Flicker, a hacker who identifies and exploits weaknesses in telephone instead of computers. Why ethical hacking? Information is one of the most valuable assets of an organization. Keeping information secured can protect an organization's image and save the organization a lot of money. Hacking can lead to loss of business for organizations that deal in finance, such as PayPal. Ethical hacking puts them a step ahead for of the cyber criminals who would otherwise lead to loss of business. Legality of ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is illegal if the hacker abides by the rules stipulated as above. The International Council of E-commerce Consultant provides a certification program that tests individual skills. Those who pass the examination are awarded with a certification. The certificates are supposed to be renewed after some time. Here are the stages of penetration testing: planning and reconnaissance, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, analysis, and WAF configuration. These are the reference sites for ethical hacking. Thank you. Here we end the fifth chapter.